Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, this is a channel for all Final Cut Pro post-production and help with video editing. So if you're interested in that, please consider subscribing to the channel. This is our website full of Final Cut Pro plugins to help you out. Some are free and some are paid for, but just go check that out if you are interested. And that's b3-studios.com. All right, now let's get on to the video. Okay, so we have our clip here, and what we're going to do today is we are just going to add an easy drag and drop effect, and that is the Tiny Planet effect. So once you download this, which the link is in the description, it will be in your B3 Studios plugin tab, and you can type right here Tiny Planet, or you could just scroll down. And here it is right here, the Tiny Planet effect. As you can see, it's already working. So as you drag this on your clip, you can see that the effect is already working. It's a very, very cool effect. As I press play right now, you see it changed the whole dynamic of the scene. And you can get really creative with this plugin. So you can go right here to the inspector tab right here, and you can change the rotation of this to bring it out even more, which looks really cool right here. Or you can add a keyframe, to any one of these and move your playhead up to the timeline and just watch it animate as you go. This is a really fun effect, and it can really bring out creativity as a video editor. So yeah, this is a really cool effect. You can do this on plenty of other footage. This is just one example, and the link is in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. We will be coming out with more content soon, so be on the lookout for that. And I'm looking forward to seeing you guys and hearing from you guys in the comment section. All right, guys, have a great day. I'll see you soon. All right, bye.